Welcome to another session at AMP University, your guide to mastering landscape lighting. Today, we tackle pathlight installation, a key element in creating inviting outdoor spaces. Let's start with the fundamentals and move through the process step by step. First off, let's find the perfect pathlight for your project. Tall or short, big hat or little hat, decorative or more functional. Your choice will light the way, literally. Now, when we talk about hat sizes, we have many different hat styles, sizes, and they all provide different diameters of light or light pools. Now, when we're deciding on which hat to use, it has a lot to do with the space that we're placing them in, as well as the amount of light that we need casted from each area. Something like a 9-inch hat will give you a 16-foot light diameter. So that's 8 feet on every side. Spacing can be around 16 foot to 20 foot. Now, alternatively, we have a 7-inch Summit Pro hat. This hat will give you a 12-foot light diameter or 6 feet on every side. The way I'm choosing these is it's kind of based on the environment. If I'm dealing with a larger home, a larger property, and a larger space to light, I'm going to choose a larger hat to accomplish that. Now, if I'm using the Summit Pro, it's because I have a smaller area to illuminate, or I'm matching the hat size to the property, to the scale of the property. And so if I'm dealing with smaller spaces, smaller home, I'm going to use a smaller hat and possibly even a smaller stem size to match the aesthetic. Take a moment to consider where your path lights will go. It's all about guiding the way without blinding anybody. It's important to light the path without getting in the way. Just like our spotlight, the ground beneath our feet matters here too. Depending on that soil type, you're either going for an auger or a stake stomper. Knowing your soil type is half the battle, making sure your path light stays put and stands tall. Here's where we get those path lights just right. Ensuring they're level and firmly seated means they'll be lighting your client's way for a long time to come. You've now mastered pathlight installation, a cornerstone of effective landscape design. It's all about enhancing safety and aesthetics, one light at a time. Thank you for engaging with AMP University. Don't forget to subscribe for more professional insights, and feel free to share your projects and tips in the comments.